Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Genshin impact lag easy and quick. If you want to fix this problem, all you need to do first, just right click here in this bar and then click task manager. And now once you're here, just close all the applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome. Right click on it and click end task, and that's it. Just end all the applications that you don't need. And now after that, just click here and also close the applications like Epic Games, and that's it. Applications that you don't need, and also wallpaper engine if you have it, just close it, click quit. And now just try again and you will find that your problem is fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.